Hey y'all, it's your girl T Honor. I can only be me. Hey y'all, today I'm about to show you the haul for the things that I have for my room to redecorate it and stuff. Y'all, if you happen to see some mess in here, it's only because I'm still painting and all the stuff from my room is out of my room and in here in the living room where I'm at. Okay, so let's go on and get started right here. First of all, I'm gonna say welcome to all my new subscribers and welcome back to all my faithful loyal family members. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to your girl's channel. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. That's what I call the doorbell. Put the ding on the dong and ring the doorbell. Please do that for your girl. Okay, and please do not forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. All right, so let's get started over here. So right here I have these two pictures, both of them is the same, from roses. So this is what I will be hanging up in my room. I have this clock right here. Okay, then I have this set of mirrors, and I have two of them, and those came from DD's right there. This clock came from Roses as well. I got this trash can right here, and something is in here. I done had this stuff, y'all, for a while. I don't know what this is in here, but something is in here. Hold on, let me get this out of here. I thought it was just big. Okay, so I also have these two little candle holder vases, and they from these, and it was $3.49. So I got two of those. That was what was in there. I forgot all about it. I had these. I thought that was just bags in the trash can. Okay, so then I got two of these pillows, and they are the twin pack quilted pillows, and they was on sale fly. That was it. I got it from DD's for about, how much was these pillows? $11.99? Yeah, $11.99. That's how much they was. All right, so then this was my inspiration. From Ross, I went and picked up this right here. This picture. No, matter of fact, that was my inspiration. But it was my inspiration after my comforter. I got my comforter during Black Friday. And when I got my comforter, I was looking for something with these colors. And I happened to come across this. And I happened to come across this picture here from Ross. Right there. With all those beautiful colors and everything. And it was for $35 from Ross. So I done had this for a good little while too. Yeah. So my comforter inspired me to get this. This picture inspired me to get everything else that I got. Okay. Alright, so let's move on to the other side. Alright, so this is the comforter that I got right here. This comforter came from Black Friday. And I got this comforter. You see these colors that's in it? It's like a burgundy, like a rust orange looking color, maybe a red, and like a green, mint green looking color. And so this is the pillows I have. I got these two burgundy pillows right here, and I have this mint pillow here. This is a long one here. Got that one right there. So those will be going on the bed. This green one came from Ross, and now those two came from DD's. Okay, so moving right along. Okay, like I told y'all, you're gonna see some mess, so excuse my mess. All right, so anyway, I got this rug right here to go along with the comforter set or whatever, and the rug came from Roses. I was like, I stumbled upon the perfect color rug that I needed to pull off to go with this comforter set. I mean, it's the exact, when I tell y'all it's the exact perfect match. Like, I couldn't have found one any better. I couldn't have found the rug any better than this. So I got this one here from Roses for $9.99. That's how much it was, $9.99. Okay, so let me show y'all what else I got. Okay, so then from Burlington, I just bought me 2 sheet sets because they had a 25% off of their sheets and stuff. So I just recently got these by last weekend, which was around like the weekend after Mother's Day. I got these sheets right here. So these sheets was like $22.99 for this one and $19.99 for that one. This was like a black color one and it got designs in it and stuff, so I got that. Alright, so from Roses, this is my curtains, y'all, that I'm gonna be putting up. So I got this little minty looking color one right here. When I tell y'all, like, my colors was just coming together, just flowing, I don't know if that was the colors of the season or what, but honey, when I went and just picked out my stuff, everything was just like, it was just there and meant for me. It was like already done. So I got that. I got 2 of these right here with the shimmer in it, and then I got one of the red right there. So we're gonna see how this turn, and it's 2 in each, and they was only $3.99. As you can see, they came from Roses, and it's 2 in this pack and 2 in the blue, whatever color that is, pack. All right, so then I also purchased this sconce from Roses as well, wall sconce. It's 2 sconce in this box, and they was, I think, $9.99. Yeah, $9.99 for those 2 wall sconces. And that is, I think, everything for that I needed to decorate my room with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Yes, it was a quick haul, but like, I'm so excited to get in here and decorate, y'all. I just can't wait. Ooh! I'm so excited. Me and my husband, we're going to find us a TV so we can put it on the wall. But yeah, this is the stuff, y'all. This is what I'll be decorating with. So when I'm finished, I will show you guys how everything turned out and how it looked. Okay, I love y'all. I thank y'all for just supporting me and watching my videos. So y'all be ready to see how my room turned out. That's gonna be a whole different video, the transformation of my room. Okay, all right, y'all. I love y'all. Peace, love, and blessings to each and every one of you guys. Until next time, y'all have a good one.